Howdy y'all, welcome back to Guns and Barbecue. I am John, your host. Today we're going to be doing another unpackaging video. Once again, I got more stuff from gearwebsites.com. I would just like to lead off by saying that I am not sponsored by Gear Websites in any shape or form. In fact, I don't even think that G-Webs, the owner and proprietor of Gear Websites, knows that I do these videos. If he does, he's never left a comment or anything. So, anyways, like I said, I'm not paid by them or anything like that. I just buy this stuff off of there because I really like it, and then I want to show it off. I understand if you don't like these videos and choose not to watch them. And if you do, I appreciate you watching. But for everybody, you know, I am trying to create other Second Amendment related content and barbecue content as I can. If you saw my video from Monday about me having surgery on Thursday, you will know why I'm not creating any barbecue videos at the moment. But without further ado, I purchased the Shooter's Almanac for 2020 from gearwebsites.com. A lot of neat stuff in here. I could show it to you a little bit, I suppose. Just, I don't know, close to 50 pages. I don't think there's quite that many, but I purchased the third print. I'm not sure. I think there's 5 prints total. I don't know if that's different numbers for each time that he printed this, or if it's just, you know, he printed the third one, you know, maybe 3 or 4 times or anything like that. I'm pretty sure he was trying to do a print on demand type deal. But then he lost a lot of stuff, and I do not believe that the Shooter's Almanac is going to be available much longer. From what I understand, he had a big hard drive crash or something. A lot of things were fragmented and lost. And I believe the Shooter's Almanac 2020 was in that list, and I don't know if he's going to be trying to remake it. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm sure it takes up a lot of time. So if you want one, get over there and get on it now. This is actually a neat little thing. This is a gray one. The only reason I know that is I got a little love note from G about it. Right here, say if you can read that chicken scratch, more power to you. I had to have somebody read it to me. One, because, well, my eyes suck, as we all know by now. And 2, just because, well, that's some pretty interesting handwriting. But then again, they say that people who have sloppy handwriting are some of the smartest, and G-Web seems like one smart cat. So that's probably why, you know, some of us call him the Godfather. But anyways, so he just threw this in as a bonus treat. Not sure why or anything like that. Maybe he just thought, you know, it was going to a good home. Maybe he does that for all of them that are getting sent out. But I can't help but notice there seems to be, you know, a lot of writing all through it, even on the back. So might be the insight to the mind of a genius there. I don't know, but just could be, you know, that little glimpse into the mind of a genius. Let's get into the free patches that came with it. Because again, I always like to order on Free Patch Friday because, well, if I can get something for free, why not, right? So I got the Daily Gun Show patch, which I purchased the Daily Gun Show button last week, which I absolutely love. Got the U Media patch, have a couple of those now, and got another Corona sticker. So getting a nice little sticker collection amassed, getting a nice patch collection amassed thanks to, again, gear websites. I've got to start looking around other places, see where I can find other patches. But, and then again, in this package came another pocket knife. I was talking to G-Webs not long ago, and he said he actually has a whole shoebox of these things that he just completely forgot about. I was not planning on getting another one, but turns out that as long as he's still got them, I guess he's going to be sending them out in packages. So again, if you order on Free Patch Friday, not only will you get a free patch, but you could just end up with, as G-Webs put it, a cheapy pocket knife, which again, I really like cheapo pocket knives. I find them really useful. I use them for a lot of things that I probably wouldn't normally use a better knife for, such as, you know, opening a paint can. If it's a cheapo pocket knife, big whoop. If it breaks, toss it, try and reshape it, whatever the heck I want to do, and, you know, move on with my life. No harm, no foul. So, locking blade, nice little serrations down here. This one actually feels a bit sharper than that small one, but again, really like it. This will possibly end up in my concealed carry vest or my EDC vest, whichever you wish to call it. But that one from last week definitely did, because those little ones come in real handy. But so that was my score from gear websites this week. Like I said, I just like a lot of the stuff that G-Webs has over there, and I spend my money on it, then I want to show it off with you folks. To my knowledge, he doesn't even know that I do these videos. So, alright, thumbs up, thumbs down. Comment if there's anything that you like here. You know, just, again, I like my two-way swag, and I like supporting channels that are, you know, putting out Second Amendment content. I think that's really important, especially when YouTube is cutting off funding for so many of them. So, hit that subscribe button, keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking, and I'm going to catch you all next time. Thank you very much for watching.